Hey guys, Scott Johnson with Pitt Homebuyers here. Hope you're usual. And today we're going to discuss another cost of selling your house here in Greenville, North Carolina. The name of that? Repairs. Oh, you knew it was coming. Just like commissions, you knew it was coming. Now, it can range widely, the amount of money that you're going to have to pay when it comes to repairs, and some repairs you may not even have to get done. All right? So in the buying process, with us, obviously, you know, it is super simple. We don't do anything when it comes to saying, hey, you need to repair this. You don't have to pay anything for repairs. You don't have to do anything. We just buy as is. Now, when you're trying to get top dollar for your house in Greenville, North Carolina, and you're selling it on the MLS, that's a different story. Because what you have now is you have people who are buying it to live in. Retail buyers is what I like to call them. And what they're going to do is they're going to look down those line items. They're going to have an inspection done if they're smart, and they're going to get a list of things that may need to be repaired. Now, even before that, during the listing process, okay, it could be that, you know, you have a preliminary, if you're smart, inspection done. So it helps you to get a line item list of things that need to be repaired. Obviously, if a roof has shingles missing or the AC unit is literally not working, those things may need to be addressed. Even holes in the walls, countertops that are ripped up, floor tiles that are cracked, things like that. Even light bulbs that just need to be changed. Okay? Now, what I say that it can range because it may be that you just need to paint your house before you sell it. That's easy. You can do it yourself for a few $100, or you can pay a professional about $3,000 to $4,000 to do it, depending on the size of your house. And those are great options. But as a general rule, if you're just looking at cosmetic repairs, you're probably going to pay anywhere between $5,000 to $6,000, maybe more, to get the carpet replaced and paint and just the general stuff, right? Now, if you're looking into more things like a new roof, on average you're looking at $7,000 to $10,000 depending on the house. New AC unit. We just put a new AC unit into our rental unit, and it cost us it was to the tune of $4,600, which honestly isn't bad. This is all new stuff. Well, no, it was just the unit and the coil and all that stuff. Anyway, but so the cost can just go into the multiple tens of thousands, or they could say at about $5,000. But if you take relatively good care of your house, I would say you're safe in that $5,000 to $6,000 range. Now, obviously, just like commissions, that can take a big chunk out of what's in your pocket. All right. So, if you have any questions on repairs, or maybe some general ideas on what you want to know, like maybe you just want to know what something might cost if you have to fix it, feel free to reach out to us. Give us a call. You can also put a comment below and hit subscribe, like I keep saying, because we are going to keep putting out this awesome content to help educate you so you make better decisions when you're selling your house here in Greenville. Scott with Pitt Homebuyers. Howdy.